Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to trade in the anime fighting simulator on Roblox. Really easy to do. So first things first, when you're in the application here, you just want to ensure that your trading is on. So you just want to go to the orange gear symbol in the bottom left, click on that, and you want to scroll down to the bottom of the settings and just ensure that the trade toggle is set to on. Very, very important, or obviously it won't let you trade. So once that's turned on, you just want to exit out of the settings and head over back to the left side and click on the green person icon. And then once you click on that, you can click on champions, the white letters. And then at the very top, you see an option to trade. So you can just click on trade there. And all you have to do is find someone that you want to trade with. Just send them a trade request. And then you could choose the items that you want to trade, just like this. And then you just got to ensure that they accept the trade. That person is closed on me, but that is simply how you do it. Very, very easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching.